In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check availability of guests in Google Calendar. This is really useful when you're trying to set up a meeting, an interview, or even a small team catch-up, and you want to make sure everyone you invite is actually free at that time. I'll walk you through the process step by step inside Google Calendar so you can quickly see when your guests are available and avoid all that back and forth messaging. First, open Google Calendar in your browser and look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Create. Go ahead and click on Create. This is how you start setting up a new calendar entry. When you click Create, a small menu will appear with different options. From that menu, click on Event. This tells Google Calendar that you want to schedule a standard event, like a meeting or appointment, rather than something like a task or reminder. After you choose Event, a basic event window will pop up, usually on the right side of your screen. In this basic window, you'll see a few options like title, date, and time. For what we want to do, it's easier if we open the full editor. So look for the option that says More Options and click on that. This will expand the event into a full page view where you can see all the advanced settings including guest availability. Now that you're in the full event editor, find the guest section on the right hand side of the screen. Here, you can start adding the people you want to invite. Type in the email address of each guest you want to include and select them from the suggestions that appear. As you add guests, they'll show up in the guest list for this event. Once you've added your guests, look near the middle of the screen, just below the event title and date details. You'll see a tab labeled Find a Time. Click on Find a Time. This is where the magic happens. Google Calendar will display a timeline view that shows your schedule alongside the schedules of your invited guests based on their shared calendar availability. You can adjust the date and time here and watch how the availability changes. Look for a slot where everyone appears to be free. When you find a time that works, select it, and the event time will update automatically. From there, you can finalize your event details and send the invitation, confident that you've chosen a time that fits your guests' schedules.